I made a video about misshifts and the different ways you can misshift and blow up your engine. One of the ways is by forgetting what gear you're in. So I'm driving along, maybe it's boring, I'm falling asleep, whatever it is, I'm daydreaming and I'm in third gear. I pull it out, all of a sudden I forget what I'm doing and I panic and I try to jam it back into gear. I may jam it back into first gear and blow up the engine. So to avoid that, if you take it out of gear and you forget where you're supposed to go next, always put it in the highest gear possible. If you put it in the highest gear, it doesn't matter what speed you're going at, you're not going to blow up the engine. So for this car, the highest gear is 5th gear, and it's easy 5th gear because it's over to the right and all the way up. I don't have to think about it. It's not in the middle of the pattern, and I don't even have to know anything. All the way over to the right and up, and from 5th gear I can find my way back to 4th gear or to 3rd gear. Even if I have an old car with old shifter bushings and the shifter's really loose, it may not center itself, because I know somebody's going to post the shifter should center itself in front of 3rd gear. In an old car with a loose shifter, it may not do that. I can just slam it over to the right and up into 5th gear, and from there I can find my way back to 4th gear or to 3rd gear. So if you ever forget where in the shift pattern you are, start again from 5th gear and work your way back. You can even try 5th gear and go to 3rd gear, okay? But the worst thing you can do when you pull it out of gear and all of a sudden you forget what you're doing is try to jam it back into gear very quickly. Just take a second and think about it, put it in a high gear, and then work your way back from there. That's the safest way to avoid blowing up your engine. It's kind of like a ship lost at sea in the rough seas, and you're looking for the lighthouse, and the lighthouse is your 5th gear. You always know when you see that you're safe and you can guide yourself from there.